Good morning, friends. I welcome you to my channel once again for a pre-opening uh, build-up. So today market still in the positive zone. It is a dip. It's a buy on dips market. So the strategy would be to wait for the support zone to start buying, and whenever there is a dip, you should start buying, and the intraday trading strategy would be to sell on the resistance. So buy on support, sell on resistance. I would suggest two stocks. One is Adani Ports. The entry price would be 448 and stop loss is 442, and the target price is 457. And ICICI Bank, the entry price is 498, stop loss 492, and the target price is 508. And also there is a lot of positive news coming globally, as there is some progress in vaccine development. That is also giving a positive cues to the market, and that is giving positive cues to the market. So it is advised to buy on dips when you get a market correction. So the future target price for the Nifty is 13,600. So the target is keeping on increasing. So there is a huge expectation that market might correct. So I've been watching this market ever since March. There is no signs of deep correction. So the retail investors' strategy should be patient, and whenever there is a correction of 5%, just buy small numbers of your blue chip stocks, favorite blue chip stocks like Reliance, Bajaj Finance. You can buy Asian Paints, you can buy HUL, you can buy NTPC, you can buy Coal India, much more. So the best way is to accumulate on these blue chip stocks, and keep increasing your portfolio, and you will get very smart returns. When it comes to short term investment, you have to wait for dip of 5%. Every 5% you have to buy and sell when it's high. So always remember, when the expiry is completed, and there will be a fall, a short fall, like from 27th, assuming the last week of expiry, there will be a sudden uptrend. So after 2 days of expiry, there will be a correction. So during that period, you have to buy in small numbers, and during expiry, you have to sell it. That should be the strategy. So if it is short term, buy after 2 days, you hold it till the next expiry. So you should have a strict stop loss. That should be the strategy. So you wait on those days where there is a deep correction after the expiry, buy few numbers, and you repeat the same process on every correction. So you will get an average price. Before the expiry, certain stocks will move like 5% and 10%. So those stocks like Adani, Zee Entertainment, Bharat Forge, these are all the stocks which has a range of 50 rupees. After expiry, it will come down to 50 rupees. Again, it will go back to its original price. So it's all derivatives driven stock. So you can make good money within a month. So this should be the strategy when it comes to playing short term. So those are the days gone that you buy and sell it after 6 months. Short term definition has been revisited, like it is all depending on the derivatives. All these volatile stocks swing trade is being controlled by the derivatives. So all the retail investors who want to make a short term money should be careful. You have to trade in line with the expiry of every contract. December contract, January contract, you all observe the contract price. What is the target contract price for December, January, February? Accordingly, you have to see the range. So, and also you have to see the past years, how in December the previous is that stock behaved. So there will be a pattern. So in 2015 December, how it has gone down, how it has gone up. In 2016, how it has gone up, gone down. So you will get a pattern. So for one example I can give you is 2015 it has gone up. 2016 is December has come down. 2017 it has gone up. 2018 has gone down. 2019 it has gone down. So 2020 you have to compare the previous trend as well as the previous month's trend, like November, October. So if you see a graph like a breakout, so there is a chance it might go up for some time during that time. So that pattern will give you some idea. So you can buy at that time. If the pattern is like this, like it's going down, you have to short at that. So you have to see the patterns, how in that month it has behaved in the previous years, how it has behaved in the previous months. Say for example November 2020 that stock has come down. So you have to check whether it is near the relative strength index of 37.5%. So there is a chance it might go to 50%. So you have to buy at that time. So these are the small patterns you have to look out for and invest smartly. So in this way it will give you a lot of ideas to enter into stock, or you have to sell or buy. So that gives you an idea, and your investment will be safe. So hope you got the vital information regarding your trading strategy and investment strategy. Hope to catch you soon tomorrow for the pre-session of the Nifty. Thank you very much. The current resistance for Nifty is 13,450, and support zone will be 13,276. So you have to trade within this range. So don't remember to put strict stop loss, preserve your capital, stay safe, and preserve your capital always before you trade. Don't get excited about trade. Cut down your emotions, and after all you are doing trade to earn money. Keep that in mind. So your personal liking for a particular share or personal liking for a particular trend, you should not do anything against the market. So accept the market and then trade in line with the market. That is my sound advice. So all the best. So see you next time. Till then, it's goodbye.